go through this biology question. So it's got a bit of maths in it, so we're going to try and work out what maths we need to do to be able to work this out. So I'm told here to find this missing answer here. In terms of what I already know that 8 kilojoules has gone out to growth and 1,025 kilojoules has gone out to respiration. So I need to find out what the input was to that. So the input was 3,000. So for me to work out this missing number here, I know that I've had 3,000 go into it, but I need to take away 8 and I need to take away 1025, and that will give me that missing answer there. So in my calculator, I'm going to put in 3,000, take away 8 and then take away 1025, and I find the missing answer is 1,967. So I've done part 1 there for 1 mark, and it says calculate the percentage of energy taken into the sheep which is used in growth. So in terms of the growth, I know they had 8 kilojoules. So I do 8 out of, there was 3,000 that went in there altogether. So it would be 8 out of 3,000. Now that at the moment is a fraction. To turn that into a percentage, I need to multiply that by 100. So I'm going to use my calculator to make it look exactly the same. I put in 8, well I press the fraction button first, 8 over 3,000 times by 100. Now this answer here gives me 4 over 15, which if I press SD it gives me this value here, 0.26, with a dot on its head. Now it's a little bit disorientating look at this answer because it looks like it's a decimal, but that is my percentage. So my answer that I give, you can, to definitely get the marks, just write what you can see in your calculator. So you can say 0.26 recurring, that's what that dot means. If I press SD again, see all those 6s there. Now what it's done, the very last 6, it's rounded that to a 7 because the number here would have been a 6, so it's rounded the last number. It's fine to write your answer as 0.26 recurring percentage, or we could have rounded to just 2 decimal places to make it look nicer to begin with. So we could have said instead 0.27. But what you cannot write 0.26 because when you're rounding that, that should be 0.27.